Some of you may think I'm nuts for this one, especially my buddy Matt. But hear me out. Tires on new cars these days seem to be wearing down faster than tires you purchase from a tire shop. Here are a couple articles from car dealership websites agreeing with this, and they're even openly advertising it on their websites, saying, "We know they suck, but there's nothing you can do about it." Or is there? These four tires came off of my dad's brand new 2024 RAV4 that had 20 miles on it. On a Saturday, he picked up his brand new car. Tuesday, he ordered a set of tires, and Friday, they were put on his new car. Stay with me on this. If the tires that come on the car aren't going to last as long as replacement tires, then replacing them immediately to get some value back makes sense. I'm going to list them on Facebook Marketplace, and I'm sure over the next month or two, I'll sell them to someone who could use these tires at a reduced price, allowing my dad to recoup some of his investment in the new tires he put on, and someone benefits from brand new tires at a reduced cost. Instead of waiting a couple of years and getting upset that you have to replace tires so quickly, replace them now. I understand the outlay of additional cash may not be possible for everyone, but I need to make a video about not putting as much cash down on your vehicle purchase. But this video isn't about that. This idea actually came from my dad a year or so ago when we both found ourselves needing to replace the tires on our leases 2 years into the 3-year lease term. So we both put on brand new tires, only for him to turn around 10 months later and trade that car in. Had we put on new tires from day one, we would have gotten some money back from the initial tires, and the tires we put on would have lasted the entirety of our lease term because they are designed to last longer. It's actually financially better, especially on a lease. As always, please let me know if I can help you with your vehicle needs, helping you navigate the car buying game by saving you the time, money, and aggravation of car shopping.